In today's video, we are going to cover how to pay someone through QuickBooks Online. To begin, open QuickBooks Online and look for the plus new button. This is where you start creating a new transaction. Click plus new to open the menu of available actions. Under the vendors column, choose either check or expense. The option you select depends on how you are paying the person. If you are recording a payment made by check, select check. If the payment is being made another way and you just need to record the expense, select expense. Make sure you pick the one that matches the payment method before moving forward. Once the form opens, go to the payee field. Open the drop-down list and select the person or vendor you are paying. If that payee is not already in your records, click Add New and create a new vendor. After the new vendor is added, return to the payment form if needed and make sure the correct payee is selected. Next, choose the payment account. This is the account the money is coming from, so make sure it matches the bank account or other account used for the payment. Then enter the payment date. Use the date that reflects when the payment is actually being made or recorded in your books. After that, fill in the payment details. Enter the category or item depending on how you want to classify the payment in QuickBooks Online. This step affects how the transaction is organized in your records, so take a moment to select the right option. If you want to include extra context, you can add a description, but that field is optional. Then enter the amount for the payment. Make sure the amount entered matches the payment you intend to record. Before saving, review the information on the form. Check the payee, payment account, payment date, category or item, description if you included one, and the amount. This review helps prevent incorrect account selection, wrong dates, or duplicate entries. If anything looks off, update it before you continue. When everything is correct, click Save and Close if you are finished and want to exit the form. If you need to record another payment right away, click Save and New instead. Either option will record the transaction based on the details you entered. If you are entering multiple payments, using Save and New can help you stay in the workflow without returning to the main menu each time. If this is a one-time payment, Save and Close will take you out of the form once the transaction is recorded. The key point is that both buttons save the payment, and the difference is only what QuickBooks Online shows you next. The payment is now recorded in QuickBooks Online for the selected payee.